So I think my favorite part about McMurry is the Aid to Teacher program because it's giving me that group, it's giving me that community. The whole reason that I looked into McMurry is the Aid to Teacher program. I work as a paraprofessional at Gym Ned right now. So I've always wanted to be a teacher since I was in 3rd grade, and so I was really excited to hear about this program. My days are definitely insane right now. I have 4 kids, so from 1st grade to 8th grade, and they're all very active. So I go to work at 7:20 in the morning, and on Mondays and Wednesdays, as soon as I leave work at 3:20, I come to class, and I'm in class until about 8:30. My main goal is to be a math teacher. So right now, the class that I'm really motivated by and the professor that I'm really influenced by right now is Miss Pools. She teaches Math 1 and 2, and I absolutely love her teaching style. I really aspire to teach a lot like her. Being a leader to me, it's raising up the next generation and teaching them hard work and determination and integrity and resilience. My favorite thing about McMurry right now is all of the people that I'm doing my classes with. We have a really good group. I think that the Aid to Teacher program is really incredible because it's like-minded people. It's people who are going through this together. We all have very similar aspects in our job, and they put us in classes together. My motivation is really my kids. I can't wait for the day that my kids get to see me walk across the stage and go, "Mom did that." It was really designed for people in my position and really had me looking at going outside of my comfort zone and going, okay, I don't want to be an aide forever. I've always wanted to be a teacher. And now there's this program specifically tailored to that, tailored to people who want a little bit more, who want to do more in a classroom than what they're doing right now. So that's the whole reason that I looked into McMurry, and that's the reason that I decided to go through with it. And I'm really excited that I did.